Hey guys, it's Abby, and today we have the Boxycharm Premium box. Oh my gosh, I almost hit myself in the face. Right here. This is now $39.99. This will be my last premium. I was a little bit too harsh there. I did cancel it. Finally, it was actually canceled. So last month I canceled my premium and my luxe. I prepay for my base box, so that won't be up for a while. But I canceled my premium and my luxe, and for some reason, on the 24th of September, I was charged for my premium box. So I went back into my account and I canceled my Boxycharm Premium and my luxe again. Right after I canceled my box, I changed my banking information. And they charged me for my premium again. And I was like, what in the world is happening? So then I went back and I canceled it again. So they charged me again for my premium for October, and I didn't want to. Like, I literally pressed cancel and canceled it. And they were like, no, you're not going to cancel it. You need to get one more box. So I'm hoping, because they forced me into this, it's a good box. So anyway, it's $39.99. You get 6 full-size products. And I don't know what's in here. I have no idea. No clue. So let's open it. I hope you guys are doing really good. Anything new and interesting in your lives, let me know in the comments below. Last time I asked this, one of you guys, one of my subscribers that I love very much, told me that she is pregnant and she was trying for years and years and years, and I'm so excited and happy. So congratulations on your pregnancy. That is so amazing and so wonderful. Being a mom is it's the hardest but most rewarding job in the entire world. Okay, so when you open up the box, she looks like this. Okay, so the theme is Spellbound. I have variation C211028 PM. And, okay. The packaging this month looks like this. It's stupid and ridiculous, and there should be more than a piece of paper. Okay. The first thing I'm pulling out is this big, huge Vitamin C Ester Citrus Brightening Cleanser by Perricone MD. This is gigantic. Okay, this retails for $35. And it says Perricone MD's Vitamin C Ester Citrus Brightening Cleanser is a non-drying formula that cleanses without stripping the skin of natural oils. Okay. Okay, so I got that. Then I got this, and this is Lily Lashes Level Up Lash Enhancing Serum. There's a 3-month supply in here. Vegan, biotin, red ginseng, and amino acids. I'm not like super excited about this, but I'm not like, oh my god, I hate this so much kind of thing, you know? Okay, this retails for $65 stupid dollars. Level Up Lash Enhancing Serum is a powerful result-driven lash serum promoting ultimate lengthening, strengthening, and conditioning benefits while enhancing the overall appearance of your natural lashes in as little as 4 weeks. Well, we'll see about that, won't we? Has anyone tried this yet? If you have, do you like it? Do you see a difference in your lashes? I know it's only been a few. Well, you might have your box for like 2 weeks now. If you've tried this, let me know. I wish these stripes keep making me think there's something on my arm, like a fuzzy or something. Okay, the packaging is cute. I wonder if you can use this on your brows, because I am browless. Oh, I think I was expecting something else, like a mascara wand for some reason, probably because it looks like mascara, but it's just this little baby right here. And for $65 stupid dollars, they definitely should be growing your lashes really long. So, okay, the next thing is this, and this is Dew of the Gods. Dew of the Gods. Under Eye Volumizing Collagen Pads. Okay. And these retail for $20. Why inject when you can object? I object! To dull, tired under eyes with a powerful bounce of hydrogel, collagen, vitamin C, and witch hazel to plump, lift, and revitalize your look. Okay, I'm not like super excited about these, honestly. I'm not like, yeah, I'm not very excited. There's 10 sets in here, which is okay for the price, because you can get these, I've gotten iPads before, or whatever these things are before, and I've gotten like one set for $50 and it was just dumb. So, all right, so we got these. Does anyone else feel personally attacked by dark under eye circles? No. No, I don't, but I understand if you are. The next thing is this, and this is the Tarte Man-Eater Plumping Gloss. And this retails for $19. She's a man-eater, man-eater. Okay, apply Tarte's Man-Eater Plumping Gloss for visibly plumper-looking lips. The nourishing formula smooths the lips and wraps them in lasting hydration, color, and shine, while the Voluplump Complex... Voluplump Complex works to visibly plump the lips with just one swipe. I almost said swipe. Have you guys used this? If you got this, let me know if it plumps your lips. I really like the Too Faced like injections. I think they work great. So I'm very curious to see how this works. Okay, it's pretty. I like the shade. The shade is in Buff. I do like the shade. Okay, the next thing is this, and this is a bronzer by LYS, and it retails for $18. It's a no limit matte bronzer, irresistibly velvety in texture. This clean, easy to blend bronzer delivers a sun-kissed glow and stunning dimensions that pulls your look together with a natural matte finish. Formulated with niacinamide, sodium hyaluronate, and green tea extract. That kind of scares me. Oh, like hyaluronate, niacinamide. Niacinamide reminds me of like the ID channel. Like when you hear like someone died of poisoning, they're like, they died of niacinamide poisoning. I know that's not a thing, but it could be. All right, so we got a mirror here. Oh, wait. Is there a... Oh, oh, oh. I can't get it out. Okay. Not very satisfying, but okay. Here is the bronzer. It's in a triangular shape. And there it is on my finger. Let's swipe this bad boy right here. Don't mind the other swatches. I was recording some videos today. And there it is. Kind of. Okay, I'll try it. I love bronzer. I put bronzer all over my face all the time, so I'm not mad at getting bronzer. And I will definitely use it. I do like the packaging. It's very different. Okay, and the last but not least is Benefit. It's a new shade, Georgia. I believe this is a blush, and it's $30 stupid dollars. No, no. You don't need to pay $30 for a blush. Okay, so Georgia Golden Peach Blush. It's like Georgia Sunshine. If you don't know Georgia Sunshine, I'll link her in my description box. She's adorable. A peachy dream come true. Benefit's cult favorite Georgia Golden Peach Blush is back and sweeter than ever. Georgia is a warm, vibrant peach shade with a soft golden shimmer for a hint of glow. Okay. So we got one of these brushes. I'm not sure if I like brushes like this because they feel like harsh, like horsehair. You know what I mean? Jelly bean? They do. They feel kind of like horsehair. Maybe not horsehair. Coarse. Coarse hair, not horse. Okay, so here is the shade. You do get a mirror. And here's the shade. And, ooh, it smells lovely. Isn't she lovely? Isn't she wonderful? Oh, wait. Is there a sticky thing in here, too? I think I like the safety, like the little safety seal things on the mirrors better than the actual product. You're welcome. Okay, so let's swatch. Oh, wow, that looks like a highlight, does it not? Is this a highlight or a blush? That... It doesn't look like anything, let's be real. It doesn't look like a blush or a highlight. It kind of looks like a blush light. There we go. Okay. That is the most unexciting thing I think I've ever put on my hand. I was expecting so much, Georgia. Okay, so we got this. All right, guys. So for the month of October 2021, for my Boxycharm Premium, I received the Benefit Georgia Golden Peach Blush. I received the Tarte Man-Eater Lip Plumper, the Dew of the Gods Under Eye Volumizing Collagen Pads, the LYS, what does that stand for? The LYS reminds me of something. I think it reminds me of like the True Blood, you know, True Blood, and it was like that, the church that wanted to kill all the vampires. Weren't they like something like that? I could be wrong. It could be, because I like True Blood and I think about it all the time. Anyway, here is the bronzer. We received the Lily Lashes Lash Serum and the Perricone MD Vitamin C Ester Citrus Brightening Cleanser. I think this was probably one of the most boring Boxycharm Premiums I've ever received. Yeah, it was really boring. Nothing was exciting. I was a little excited about the blush, but it's not a blush. It's like a, I don't know. It's just dull. It's dull and, you know, I was expecting more for that. So yeah, I think I'm just bored with this box and I'm glad that it's my last premium. Let me give you an overall value of this box. The overall value of this box is $187. And that's a great overall value for a $35 box, which I think is $39.99 starting in November. I'm just really glad that this is my last one. I haven't been happy with the premium in quite a while, and I really haven't been happy with Boxycharm in a while. So I'm just hoping that maybe this year they will pop off and start something amazing for Boxycharm, and then I'll resubscribe. If not, I'll stick with the premium. No, I'll stick with the base box until, you know, my subscription's over, and that's it. Let me know what you got in your Boxycharm Premium. Are we box twins? I hope not, but let me know if we are, and let me know what your favorite product was in this box. And that is it for today, guys. Thanks for hanging out with me. I love you guys so, so much. Thanks for being here. I appreciate you guys more than you know. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.